Space is not just empty darkness. It is an endless ocean of size, distance, and mystery. Beyond our planet, beyond our sun, and even beyond our imagination, lie structures so massive that numbers begin to lose their meaning. In space, time bends, gravity rules, and scale becomes something the human mind was never designed to fully understand. From stars larger than entire solar systems to black holes that can swallow light itself, the universe constantly reminds us how small we truly are. Today, we will explore the largest objects ever discovered in space, not as science fiction, but as real cosmic giants that exist right now, silently shaping the universe around us. 10. The largest planet, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, so massive that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Its gravity is so strong that it acts like a cosmic shield, capturing asteroids and comets that might otherwise threaten inner planets. Even among giants, Jupiter dominates. Scuti, the giant of giants. Deep, low-tempo ambient music, sense of cosmic emptiness. The universe is silent, but that silence is far larger than the human mind was ever designed to understand. When you look at the night sky, the stars appear as tiny points of light, distant, harmless. Yet some of them are so enormous that they shatter every sense of scale we have. Today, we are looking at one of the largest stars ever discovered. Its name is Scuti, and it is not called the giant of giants without reason. A problem of scale. First, we need to admit something. The human brain is not built to truly comprehend cosmic size. Earth feels large to us. The sun feels unimaginably huge. But the truth is simple. The sun is an average star. Imagine shrinking the sun down to the size of an orange. In that scale, Earth would be nothing more than a grain of sand. Now, replace that orange with Scuti. What is Scuti? Scuti is a red supergiant star located about 9,500 light-years from Earth in the constellation Scutum. But even the term supergiant fails to describe it. Scuti's radius is approximately 1,700 times larger than the Sun's. To understand what that means, if Scuti were placed at the center of our solar system, Mercury would disappear, Venus would vanish, Earth would be gone, Mars would be swallowed. Even Jupiter's orbit would lie deep inside this star, and still you would not reach its surface. How many worlds could fit inside? Scuti is not just wide. It is vast beyond comprehension. Roughly 5 billion suns could fit inside it. And since each sun could contain about 1 million Earths, the number of Earth-sized planets that could fit inside Scuti defies intuition. But here's the paradox. Despite its unimaginable size, Scuti is extremely light. A cosmic balloon. Scuti's density is astonishingly low. If it were possible to stand on its surface, you wouldn't feel solid ground. The star is so diffuse that parts of it are less dense than Earth's atmosphere. Scuti is not a solid object. It is more like a vast, glowing cloud, a cosmic balloon barely holding itself together, a star near the end. And now, the most unsettling part. Scuti is reaching the final stage of its life. Stars of this size burn their fuel rapidly. When nuclear fusion in the core begins to fail, gravity takes over. And then, one of the most violent events in the universe occurs. A supernova. When Scuti eventually explodes, its light could briefly outshine an entire galaxy. There is no danger to Earth. The distance protects us, but the scale of the event remains terrifying. Imagine standing there. Picture this. You are standing within UY Scooty's outer layers. There is no horizon. The curvature is too vast to see. There is no sky. Everything around you is the star itself. Light comes from every direction, but it does not burn, because this giant is already dying. You are witnessing the final breaths of a cosmic titan. What does it teach us? UY Scooty tells us something important. The universe was not built around humanity. On a cosmic scale, we are less than dust. And yet, we are the ones capable of measuring these giants, of understanding them, of telling their stories. The universe may be vast and silent, but meaning exists where there is awareness. Closing one day, UY Scooty will be gone. Its light will fade. Its body will collapse. And all that will remain is the echo of a supernova. Until then, we look up and quietly realize the universe may be silent, but its stories are loud enough to humble every mind that listens. One of the darkest mysteries of the universe, a place where even light cannot escape, a black hole. We cannot see it. We cannot touch it. Yet its influence is strong enough to bend stars and tear reality itself. What would happen if we approached a black hole? And more importantly, how does time behave inside it? As you move closer to a black hole, its gravity becomes overwhelming. There is a boundary known as the event horizon. Once you cross it, escape is impossible. From the perspective of a distant observer, you never truly cross the event horizon. You appear to slow down, fade, and freeze in time. But for you, time continues normally. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity affects time itself. Near a black hole, time slows dramatically. A few minutes for you could mean years passing in the outside universe. Once you cross the event horizon, space and time exchange roles. Moving forward in time means falling deeper toward the center. Stopping is no longer an option. Black holes are not just cosmic destroyers. They may be keys to understanding how the universe truly works. Perhaps one day, we will get close enough to unlock their secrets. Until then, it is safest to observe them from afar. The universe does not always give us answers, but it teaches us how to ask the right questions. Every star, every silence, every unknown reminds us how small humanity is, and yet how curious. Maybe we will never understand everything, but as long as we continue to search, the universe will keep whispering its secrets to us. Until the next mystery.